Alright, and the next step I want to do is I have my Windows machine here and I want to be able to connect to the internet via my Windows machine. So we're going to console to that via our terminal, which is kind of uncomfortable at that point, and I will show you later how to do that. So if you want to connect that machine via checkpoint, what you have to do, you have to go for your smart console and over here in our networks. So to get here, you have to first get on the first page where you have object categories, and then you go for network objects, and then followed by networks, and we have to create a new network, and then you create a network with the address where your Windows machine is located. So as you can see, my Windows machine has the address 192.168.1.2 in the subnet mask 24. Right, so what we are doing next is basically creating that network, that subnet, and we have to go for NAT. In the NAT section, we're gonna go for automatic address translation rules, and it should be as hide. So what's gonna happen? What's going to happen, so everything that is going from the subnet 192.168.1.0 subnet mask 24 and is trying to leave through our firewall will change the port on our external port for its external address, and it's going to leave with that, right? So it's going to leave with that IP address, which I have 5.104.228.7. So this is the address which will be used for translation with a random chosen port. Alright, then we're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna go for publish and install the policy. So once we do that, we can go to our Windows machine and we will be able to basically interconnect with the internet. Let's try typing a random number. Okay, as you can see, we have a connection, everything is working perfectly fine. Let's try maybe pinging. Sometimes ping is not the best way to check out the connection, but anyway, let's do that. Okay, now we have a connection, and what I want to do, so we're gonna go to the logs and monitor, open a new tab, and we're gonna filter by source 192.168.1.2, which is my Windows machine, and destination is 8888. It should be different tab. Should be just logs. Let's go for logs and type in the same filter and see if we can get any information from checkpoint side. As you can see, you have a lot of requests, a lot of echoes going for that specific destination from that source. Echo requests. It means the traffic has passed the firewall because there is an accept rule. We only have one rule at that point, but that's alright for the purpose of education.